Hi guys, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Ambe and Jai Sainath. Welcome to my channel Abhigna, Patel and Ayansh Daily Masti. Big birds. It's a yellow bird. Look at this. So cute. Big bird say hi. Hi. Look at all his yellow feathers. See, it's all yellow. Big Bird loves his teddy bear, Raiders. Yay! Look at this. Big Bird's best friend is Mr. Snuggle for few. Big Bird calls him Snuffy. Snuffy. This is his friend, Snuffy. Big Bird loves all his friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Big Bird loves all his friends. And now some birds fly. 1, 2, and 3. This is Big Bird. Look at this. Big Bird doesn't fly. And now Big Bird roller skates. Roller skates. Big Bird. And dances. Dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Big Bird loves the dance. Look at these big birds and play the ukulele, yay, with friends. Big birds can do lots of things just like you. Look at this. Oh wow. So thank you guys, and so the video ne halwa khub khub please like, share and subscribe. Big bird, bye bye. Bye big bird.